All right, here we are at 212 Hall Street, this beautiful home. I'm going to show you, just absolutely beautiful. We'll be stepping in just a minute. But even out here in the driveway, they've extended the width of the driveway here. So when you're pulling in on both sides, you have another 2 feet on each side. Very, very nice, a lot more driveway. So here we go, let's get up into the house. Nice concrete walkway. And the house just very, very, very nice. All right, we're coming into the front door. And it's a beautiful front door as well. It's already open for us. And we have this beautiful plank flooring. Small vestibule here. Note the rounded corners on the sheetrock. Again here, very nice detail. So this is our living area. Just pan left to right. And then I'll go back right to left, go up a little higher. Very nice open area. Just very comfortable, flows very well. And then immediately to our left when we came in the front door is a very nice room. These folks are using it as an office. Lots of light coming in through the front door, in the front window. Beautiful flooring again continues. I'll go to this end of the room and pan. Very nice room. Again, the archway and all the rounded edges. All right, we'll come in out of this room and we'll go and show you the dining room here to the right. Very nice room. It has an elevated cutout ceiling with a window, letting in a lot of light and a chandelier up there. Just a very nice touch. Really opens up the room, in fact, the entire area. Our kitchen, beautiful kitchen. Lots of cabinetry in this home. And this island with seating there for 5. Lots of room. Double sink. And then, of course, we have an eating area there as well. The far end of the kitchen. And you can see our Carolina room in the back. And the rest of our living room. Let's take a closer look here at the kitchen in a minute. I'm going to bounce over here to the right because we have our pantry. Look at this pantry. Walk-in pantry. Lots of shelves. Lots of room for all of your goods. Across from the pantry, we have more pantry. Look at this. Look at this room. My goodness. No shortage of space. And then on to the laundry room. As you can see, lots of room in here, a shelf up above the washer and dryer. They even have space in the middle, a counter and a cabinet. And then over here on the right, more cabinetry. Just look at that with the granite and the cabinets below and the shelf on top. Just a great touch, a really nice custom touch. And that is granite on the top of that shelf there as well. On to our garage. We have a double car garage with a garage door opener and a single door. This is a nice touch that's unique for this home. This right here is your attic storage space. But this is your controller right here that allows you to bring down this platform right next to the stairs so that you don't have to do any heavy lifting. You lower that down to the ground, you put whatever you want on it, and you push the button and it goes up. And then you can walk up the stairs if you like and put it away, do whatever you'd like with it. But what a great custom touch. And we have our water heater over here. That is a gas water heater and vent going out. A.O. Smith, top notch. Our electrical cabinet. Lots of shelving put up in here. More shelving there in the corner. Just very, very nicely done. This is just well done. But that space up there in the attic, that is incredible. Then here we are back into the kitchen again. Look at all these cabinets. Got wide casings on the door, beautiful crown molding all around the home. It's just beautiful. The flooring continues, but look at all the cabinetry here. I'm going to pull out a few of these drawers because these folks have custom touches throughout these cabinets. All these pull out. Just look at this. High and low. All these slide outs here in the cabinets. Just remarkable. And the drawers, just very, very nicely done. Lots of space. Look at this. The detail. All these pots and pans, they slide right on out. How nice is that? Look at this. No more hurt backs. These cabinets are just wonderful. Just every one of these have these built-in custom slide outs. Remarkable and just so handy. Absolutely wonderful. The home is loaded with special touches like that. Just very nice. And you see our nice granite countertops. Appliances in excellent condition. And of course, we have our double sink, garbage disposal pull down faucet, and lots of granite surface here. Pendant lighting, you can see the ceiling fans in the den beyond. But this is wide open for entertaining and to take care of family events and to truly, truly enjoy your home. And again, an archway and beautiful rounded corners on our sheetrock. Another wonderful cabinet. This one could be used for linens or really anything. Again, these wide casings on the doors. This is our master bedroom. It is carpeted. The carpet is in excellent condition. We have a beautiful trade ceiling and lots of light coming in this bedroom with blinds. And then over here to the right is our master bath. We have a double hole sink, full-length mirror on the wall. And again, the rounded edges continue, the beautiful tile floor. We have a separate vanity sink over here on the right, vanity counter, excuse me. And then a very nice shower, very nice size, comfortable shower. That I would guess is probably 4 by 6, a lot of space. We have our toilet, of course, over here. Another closet here for all your linens. And then we have a pocket door opening up into our master bedroom closet. And look at all this space. He's got built-in shelving here on the right, and then beautiful closet-made shelving all the way around this very nice size closet. And these are 9-foot ceilings in here. And you see the HVAC vent, so this is heated and cooled. Lots of space. Lots of space. So we'll come out of this room, this wing. In fact, I'll go to the other end of the master bedroom and show you what it looks like looking back. That's the backyard, and there's a view of the pond over there. Isn't that nice? So here we are panning this room right to left. It's a nice size room. This is a king size bed, and furnishings in here so you can get an idea of the scale of the room. Lots of room, lots of space, very comfortable. All right, we're going to head out back to the living area through the dining and then on to this beautiful Carolina room. Just look at this beautiful room. I love this archway. Opening it up, and then you have this beautiful patio outside, lots of light coming in this room. This is tiled like the bathroom we just left. And then over here behind this wall, this is another custom touch in this particular home. We have a separate room, of course, with its own window and shelving, usable for anything you want. And then outside here, I'll just quick pan the yard. We have all this gorgeous yard space, very, very privatized with the fence. And then the view over to the right, there's our pond. It's just beautiful. And they've added all this extra concrete onto the back end of the house here. So there's room here for just about anything you'd want to do outdoors and in privacy. All right, so we'll go back in the home now. I'll pan this room from this angle. This beautiful Carolina room. Looking back into the home. There's our eating area off the kitchen, the formal dining room, the living space, and then off to this end of the house. Again, the archway. Very nice custom touch. Straight ahead is our common bath. We have a single hole sink, cabinetry, of course our toilet. We have tile flooring, a tub shower combination, 9-foot ceilings, nice window, provides light coming in. Off to the left we have a bedroom, a good sized bedroom. This room has 2 singles in it, but you could actually put a king in here, but certainly a queen set without any trouble. Plenty of space. And of course the window looking out. And we'll go down the hall for the other bedroom on this side of the house. Oh, can't forget the little closet here. Another linen closet. You can't have too many closets in a house. Nice wide casings again, continue. And again, this bedroom is carpeted as well. Nice view of the backyard. Tall windows. Full-length closet. You shine from this end of the room and pan it. Very nice home, very comfortable home. It flows so well. So here we have our 2 bedrooms and our bathroom on this end of the house. Then we come back out into our living area, and I'll show it from this angle. There's our front door. And we'll enjoy the living space here one more time. Love this flooring. The home just exudes charm. It's just beautiful. All right. If this is something in which you have interest, give us a call.